guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Abby, and on my channel I share fashion, beauty and lifestyle content. So today I will be sharing my September favorites in fashion and in beauty. And these are either new pieces or beauty products that I have been loving and has been in constant rotation in my skincare and makeup routine. This will be the first time I'm doing like a month favorites in fashion and beauty. Let me know in the comments if you like this type of content. I'm usually curious to see what people's favorites from what they have purchased or been gifted in their wardrobe, either myself or for gifting. Everything that I'll be sharing will be linked down in the description if you'd love to shop. So let's start off with my fashion favorites for September. So first I am starting off with this Zara puffy bomber jacket, and I got it in the taupe brown, and I would say it runs true to size. I got this jacket in a size medium because I wanted that more oversized look. This is a great neutral, and I love how elevated this bomber jacket is. It will be a jacket that will easily have you looking pulled together. It's a great transitional puffer jacket because it's not too thick, and as you know, I love adding pieces that easily elevates your outfit without trying too hard. This jacket, I would say, is definitely giving comfort meets stylish. I wore it with denim here, however, you could easily wear it with slacks, a skirt, so many different ways. I've definitely been enjoying just throwing this on when I'm going for like that more street style polished look, and too it does help that it's on trend, but I wouldn't consider this like a trendy piece. I could see myself pulling this out next year as well. And next up I have is this Millen techno hardware jacket and skirt, and for this set I got the jacket in UK 8 or US 4, and the skirt I got it in a UK 10 or US 6, and I would say this set is definitely giving more of a modern polished look. I love the color, this like shade of green, similar to the Zara bomber jacket. I just love how easy and effortless these pieces will just have you looking well put together, because they all give very polished, elevated, and they don't have any crazy patterns on them, but you just look expensive and chic. It's a great blend of utility and femininity that also will be great to transition into fall as well from day to night. And when it comes to like well tailored sets like this, it's like a no-brainer. You always look put together when you have a set like this one. And the woven fabric is season appropriate. If the temperature happens to get a little cooler, I should be fine. I was able to wear it with my loafers, but you could wear this with boots or heels. But for sure, I know this will be a fall staple for quite a few plans on my calendar. So I was gifted 2 pieces from the McKenzie, the Pinto's collaboration with Eddy's, and I got the butler top, which is an elevated version of your flannel shirts. I love the cool floral detail that was added to the shirts. Again, that green color, which is so popular right now. The floral gives that more feminine touch to the flannel-like classic style. And the sleeves, I would say, is pretty cool because you wouldn't expect that on like a flannel shirt. And you could easily wear this by itself with a denim, and I could easily style this throughout fall with a blazer, any denim that I may have in my wardrobe that I could wear in fall. However, I did style it with the Ken's skirt that is absolutely stunning, and this is a more boho feminine style. Another floral layered skirt if you're looking for like that more fashion forward mixing of prints together, but still within the color family. However, you could simply wear it with a solid top if you'd like, and it's definitely a conversation piece if you wear it alone or even with the butler top. I got the skirt in a size small as well as a small in the butler top. And from the material, you would think it's really thick. However, it's thick enough to keep you warm but not make you like sweat. Seeing that it's still pretty warm here in Texas, you could layer it nicely as it gets cooler. I do look forward to styling these pieces separately and even wearing it again together. If you're looking for a maxi dress that is reasonably priced for a wedding or elegant evening event, this asymmetrical maxi dress from Lulus is a great add. I got it in a size medium, and this color is very much well on trend for fall. The very soft detailing of the florals all over the dress is feminine but still not giving like cutesy or anything. I love how it drapes effortlessly over the body without clinging in all the wrong areas that I don't want to highlight, especially when it comes to like that satin material. It's pretty unforgiving. But with this dress, I didn't have any complaints. In terms of sizing, I would size up for us who have like fuller hips just to avoid it pulling in that area because the fabric has no stretch at all. It's definitely more sleek and sophisticated. Next in my favorites are these Oyster large earrings from the designer Mignon Faget, and I'm actually wearing them today. These are the silver, and I really like how light these are. They are statement earrings without being too flashy or overly ornate, and a lot of the jewelry that I love incorporating into my wardrobe now going to be statements, but definitely doesn't give too crazy and flashy. These you can easily wear with a lot of your basics, and they also come in gold as well. These are inspired by the sea, and the natural curves of this earring will just fit easily into your fall tones such as like that camel tone, olive, burgundy as well. And the designer is from New Orleans. They all handcrafted and designed from natural materials. So every shape will be different and unique, which makes it very personal so you don't tend to see the same shape on every earring, which is pretty cool. And I also added their legacy era chain necklace. This is almost like a choker because it definitely sits closer to the neck. I could layer with other necklaces that I may have. And this swirl detail features the brand signature scroll work or linking design that is bold enough to stand out on its own, but still versatile enough to complement different looks. I love investing in pieces that tells and carries heritage. That actually makes it more worth it for me, and that makes it a little bit more satisfying and long lasting in my rotation. My next jewelry is this gold knot necklace that you saw me wear in my last video, and this is from Lumee Jewelry. Also another abstract design. This is more sculptural design that could also layer nicely over your fall tone outfits. I would say this is more contemporary and can be worn from day to night. I'm definitely going to enjoy wearing this throughout the fall into winter season. And I love that these jewelries are reasonably priced, so you have unique pieces without breaking the bank. Transitional shoes that I recently added, one being the Aerosoles Cheryl Clogs. Now, if you like me, don't like the traditional clunky looking clogs, this is a more elevated version of that. It's neutral, super comfortable as all aerosol shoes are. I would say it runs true to size. I got it in my usual size, which is 8.5. They look great with denim. You could easily slip it on. You still get that leather look. I love the gold stud details. That looks really nice with the brown leather. They also come in different shades, of course, but I think this neutral shade is a no-brainer because you could wear it with so many different outfits. It's perfect for like a comfy, chic outfit for early fall. And for sneakers, I've been loving the Dr. Scholl's Rebel Sport in blue sky leather. These are very comfortable, lightweight, and still has that sporty design that I know will go great transitioning into the fall. I could definitely see myself pairing this with like trench coats, knits, and my wide leg denim, making it a very easy styling piece that will look intentional but still feels relaxed. The sleek style of this sneakers is definitely on trend. I think the dad style is not as popular as it was before. Sleek, sporty sneakers are in. I could see myself taking it from running errands to travel days, making it an easy styling piece that looks intentional but still feels relaxed. So one of my faves for skincare is this double serum from Clarins, and it's their newest version, which is their light texture double serum. It truly has been transformative for my very dry combination skin. And if you're in your 30s, like myself, this is a great anti-aging serum to have to boost your radiance and helps your skin stay very fresh and glowy through these transition months. It layers beautifully under your makeup routine and your moisturizer for that plump finish without feeling very greasy. I particularly love using it in the morning time as well as in the nighttime when recovering from my acid treatments the night before. If you could get a sample of this serum before investing in it, I would try doing that. Another fave I've been using and loving is this Clinique Moisturizing Lotion, and SPF 35 is great for very dry to dry combination skin, and it's 100% fragrance free. I have sensitive skin that tends to break out, so I try to stay away from fragrance as much as I can. And this is a very lightweight lotion, and most importantly, it doesn't leave a white cast and does not dry out my skin. This has been my go-to for when I'm not wearing makeup, for that like very dewy type of glow. And I love the combination of the moisturizer with my SPF, and those I love wearing this sometimes in the house because with my SPF that I'm wearing outdoors, I tend to want it to be SPF 50 and up. This is a great SPF if you happen to have a lot of windows and natural light. You're still getting the protection that you need. And I also love wearing it under my makeup because usually any foundation that I might be wearing also has SPF in it as well. It's lightweight yet deeply nourishing, the kind of hydration that sinks into my skin and not just sits on top of it. If you happen to have hyperpigmentation that you want to ensure is being removed as fast as possible, definitely add tranexamic acid into your skincare routine. This COSRX serum is reasonably priced compared to other tranexamic acids that might be on the market. I love using this in the morning along with my vitamin C, and it pairs nicely together to speed up my discolorations from staying longer than it needs to. Like I'm trying to get the process moving as fast as possible. And lip oils have been my latest obsession. Clarins lip oils, they recently released 2 new shades in their lip oils, 27 and 28. These are great natural shades. This is the 28 that has like an orange tone to it. So one of my favorite features of the lip oil is the application. It just glides like effortlessly and you just want to keep applying. They look good with or without a liner. This is shade 27. This is more of like a pink natural shade. I love the non-sticky but glossy texture finish. And a new release from Huda Beauty is their Easy Bake Duo. And I tried both duos, but my favorite is the pink pumpkin. And you get the best of both worlds with this duo. It's the pink velvet cookie and pumpkin pie together. Gives you a nice lift, especially with my brown skin tone. Suddenly revives dull skin, so you get that glow without looking flat or ashy. I want when I set my concealer, it locks everything in and blurs the texture, and this accomplished that perfect for a non-cakey and camera flattering finish that makes your skin look naturally airbrushed. And one of my faves as we transition into fall is this fragrance from Valentino. It's the Stagno in Rosso. And this fragrance, I love that it's warm and creamy, and it's actually a unisex fragrance. The base notes are sandalwood, vanilla, and ambergris. Definitely has great depth, a mixture of sweetness and longevity. These types of notes tend to linger well into cooler weather, and I'm always looking for fragrances that don't evaporate quickly as the weather gets cooler. And these are all my September favorites. I linked all in the description to shop. I'll see you on the next video.